Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to activate the dark mode on the OPPO Reno8 Lite 5G. What is the dark mode? Normally you have a standard mode, and the standard mode means that everything you can see here, you have a black font on a white background. So it's great when you are outside and the sun is shining and you can read everything. But if you are in dark environment, then perhaps this is not so good for your eyes. Also, remember that this white light also consumes energy, and the black part, because the OPPO Reno8 Lite has an AMOLED display, it won't consume energy when there are black sections. So the dark mode can help you it's good for your eyes, and it can help you to save energy. How you can activate the dark mode? Well, we go to the settings, and then we go on display and brightness, and you can see at the moment we have the light mode, and I can change it to the dark mode, and you can see now here is everything black, and everything what is written is white now. And remember, everything what is black doesn't consume energy, so your battery will last longer now. And you can also automate this whole thing. You can go to auto switch and activate it, and you can change it from sunset to sunrise. Okay, so or you can go to custom light mode from 6 to 22, and then from 10 to 2 to 6 it's the dark mode. So it's pretty cool if you can activate this, and then you can just change it like you want to have it. So this is the dark mode on the OPPO Reno8 Lite 5G. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.